Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashwika. Welcome to GLOBO Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be talking about DISPLATE, how to open up a shop on DISPLATE, and what are some things that you need to consider while opening up a shop onto the DISPLATE and selling onto the DISPLATE, because DISPLATE is a print-on-demand website, but it's a little bit different from the rest of the print-on-demand website. So I'm going to be talking about DISPLATE in this video. So let's get straight with that. Before going good part, consider clicking the like button guys. I really appreciate that. And also guys, if you want the free resources, the free graphics, KDP interiors and patterns, then make sure you check it out our platform. That's the globocreative.com. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. You guys can go over to that and go to the freebie section, download those freebies and can use it for making your own print-on-demand designs or for KDP low and no content books. So the link is in the description box below. You can go and click on that. Now let's talk about DISPLATE, because like a few weeks back only I uploaded a video talking about selling onto the DISPLATE as a print-on-demand seller, and after uploading that video I've been getting a few of the comments and people were asking me like how to open up a shop onto the DISPLATE, because in that video I didn't cover that, because I was a completely newbie to the DISPLATE and I wasn't having much experience, much knowledge about it. So that's why I did my research, and I have currently the DISPLATE website on my phone. So it's a little bit different, like you need to open up a shop and sell under the DISPLATE. So open shop and earn on your designs. Whether you are a beginner artist or a pro designer, send us a portfolio at join@displate.com or get a chance to start making money from your passion. So you need to submit your portfolio, and once they're gonna approve your portfolio, you'll be able to open up a shop onto the DISPLATE and can sell your work. You can check it in the card section above guys. It's the similar as the Creative Fabrica, but it's different. Like in the Creative Fabrica, you're selling the digital products, but as being a designer, as being an artist or print-on-demand seller, you need to get an approval to open up a shop onto the Creative Fabrica and start selling. The same is in the case of DISPLATE. You need to get an approval, you need to submit your portfolio, and once your portfolio gets approved, you'll be allowed to open up a shop. Now, what is the kind of portfolio you need to submit? You can submit your portfolio related to your Instagram portfolio if you have a Gumroad shop, if you have an Etsy shop, if you have a Pinterest page where you have your own designs that you have, or either if you have shop on any other platform, like you have a different, for example, even if you have a Facebook page around your designs, you can submit that as well. You can send the Behance portfolio or the Dribble portfolio. Like you can send anything in the online space. Even you can submit your website as a portfolio if you have your designs over them. They just want to make sure that your designs are compatible with their platform, and that's all they want to see. So you can submit any of your portfolio. Like most of the time I submit my Gumroad shop portfolio. Sometimes I shop the different Behance and Dribble portfolio as well. Like you can submit whatever you have and get an approval. Now marketplace, what's selling on the platform, like what's common, you can see there are so many designs in the different niches, like in the games, abstract, then the movies, then the science fiction, the funny are there, some other text-based designs, then the photographs are also there, kind of like nature, wildlife, space. There is so much there that is currently selling onto the DISPLATE. You can check it out for yourself onto the DISPLATE. I'm gonna leave the link of this website description box below. You can check it out. You can go over to them and check out what are the designs that are selling on the DISPLATE and how you can make your own portfolio related to that kind of designs. Obviously, you don't need to copy anyone. You need to be yourself. When making your own portfolio, you don't need to mimic your portfolio just for the sake of getting an approval on a platform. No guys, just upload your own original designs, upload your own original work on your portfolio and submit your portfolio. Either email them at join@displate.com or either submit your work. And how it works really, like you can share and earn 5 times more. You will earn 50% commission of the total sale value by sharing the links to your artworks and social media. Commission on every artwork sold. So they have a little bit about them, that why it's worth to open up a shop on the DISPLATE, because they have over $7 million commission paid to artists already, which is a huge amount of money, and the commission has been paid to artists already, and $49,918, the highest artist payout in the last 12 months, which is quite high. 36 countries our artists come from, over 1.5 million social media fans they have, 100% growth year on year of total commission paid to the artists. So it is, you need to create a portfolio, guys. I've been already talking a lot about how to create a portfolio, especially I've been talking a lot about the Creative Fabrica, and also I've been getting a lot of the DMs and few of the comments as well. Like, people were asking me how to make a portfolio. Like, guys, you don't need a website to create your portfolio. You can create your portfolio even on the Instagram, even on the social media as well, which is completely free. You just need to upload your original work. Now, DISPLATE is different from the Redbubble, Teepublic, or any other print on demand websites. Here you need to upload your original design. Yes, it's a little bit like if you are a print on demand seller and you are using the third party graphics or pictures to create your own designs and stuffs, then I want to tell you, you need to create your original designs and upload it onto the DISPLATE, because they approve each and every design. Like, I recently started with the DISPLATE and I uploaded my own original designs, and when I'm uploading my designs, they said that they're gonna review my designs. I think like they take almost like 48 hours to review the designs, and then they're gonna approve my designs, and then it will going to be live on my own shop and even on their marketplace. So they review each and every designs which you are uploading on the platform. So make sure your designs, your stuffs are compatible with the platform. You can check it out. They have the different kinds of works in various different mediums. You can see the abstract art as well, the textures, the patterns, the space, the comics, the movies, the games, the fun, the memes, the text-based design, the photography, the wildlife, nature, space, universe. Like, there are so much more on this platform. You can even, if you are a painter or if you are an artist creating your own artwork onto the piece of paper, then you can convert your traditional artwork into the digital artwork and can upload on the DISPLATE. So it's a pretty amazing option out there. If you are a person who creating your original work, you can create your portfolio on any of these social media platform and can submit to them, and after once you're getting an approval, you're allowed to open up a shop and you're allowed to sell on that. And it's pretty awesome, guys, because DISPLATE is amazing. It's not like a Redbubble where someone will going to cheat your designs, or will someone will going to spam the text or spam the tag or do all that copyright stuff over there. No, it doesn't work over here. It's a little bit different. DISPLATE is more amazing. If you are a person who's creating your original design, then DISPLATE is also for you. You just need to make an portfolio. You can make this portfolio completely for free, guys. Go on, like, start with the Instagram page of your work and upload all your works over to the Instagram page and submit that link of your Instagram page onto the DISPLATE and get an approval from that. Like, you don't need your own website. You sign up onto the Behance or Dribble. You can even use it just a simple social media platform like an Instagram, and can create your own portfolio and can get started with that. Guys, I know there is a lot of work you need to create a portfolio, but still it's worth it. Like, if you're looking for making money, making some serious kind of money from your print on demand business, then obviously you need to put a lot of work into it before it actually give you the fruits and all, because it doesn't happen overnight. I've been talking a lot in my videos that it's not a rich money making scheme. It will definitely going to take some time to get the desired result. You need to be consistent enough, and you need to be doing a work. It's all about the action. It's not about like, I have just uploaded 10 design, I need to wait for a year to make the sales which I'm expecting from it. No, it doesn't work that way. You need to put your time and effort into it to make the things happen for you. I know it's a little bit hard to say that, but that's the reality, guys. Stuff that doesn't make you rich overnight. It will going to take some time to make a good amount of money, and you need to be patient with that, but you need to be consistent and putting a daily amount of work and time and effort in actually building the things for you. If you are the one who are creating your original design, then it's really worth it, guys. I'm going to tell you, it's really worth it. Like, from my example only, I create the watercolor texture as well, as I am a traditional artist as well, and also a digital artist and designer as well. So I create my traditional artwork onto the piece of paper and then convert it into the digital artwork, and I edit them into the Photoshop and do that editing, and I have uploaded a few of my works onto the Creative Fabric, and people are reviewing them. Like, I feel so worth it when someone gives a 5-star review on my work onto the Creative Fabrica and say, awesome, I love it, your work is awesome, I need more from you. I really love that type of review, love that type of feedback. It's all about a hard work, guys. You need to do it, and if you're creating your original design, your original work, it's really worth it to get money out of something that you are creating. Like, it's really worth it. I couldn't emphasize more, because it's, at the end of the day, it's all about how you're doing, how you're feeling when you're working on your stuff. Like, if you are happy by it, then go for it. If you see that you have entered the print on demand just for the sake of money, then it would be a little bit hard for you guys, because your focus is only on the money. Your focus is not on the designing, uploading the work, optimizing, researching your work. Your focus is not on that. Your focus is just on the money. Then it would be hard for you, because it's not a rich money making scheme. But if you are a person who love creating these designs, who love researching and love all doing stuffs, that it's really worth it in the end. Because when you're uploading something and someone is purchasing you from your shop, you would be feeling, wow, someone purchased something from your shop. Even if it is few cents or even it is a few bucks, you will definitely going to feel a lot more better and feel more happy about it. So that's all about the feeling, guys, and you can convert your side hustle into a full-time income. Yes, you can convert that, guys, and I am also building that route slowly, because this is my first year into my own online business. It's going to take some time. It doesn't happen overnight. So I hope this video is helpful to you, because it's not just about me giving a lecture about how to open up a shop on a DISPLATE. I was just talking based on my own experience so far. You need to submit your portfolio and get an approval for your portfolio, and then you can open up a shop. And obviously they have the size dimension, like you can't upload any design. No, you need to upload the size dimension according to it, and get started with that, guys. Do let me know in the comment section below, are you selling onto DISPLATE or not, or are you thinking of selling or not? I would really love to hear from you. And even if you have any more questions and queries, do let me know in the comment section below. I would really love to talk to you. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.